Hello, thank you for attending this short demonstration. In this demo, I'll showcase how Fulcrum can leverage advanced logic in Fulcrum data events to help create a process around a field worker and supervisor. Specifically, we'll see how a field worker goes into the field, collects pertinent information on a job, and submits the Fulcrum record back to the supervisor. The reason this is important is because users need a way to prevent work done on the Fulcrum form post-edit so the supervisor can review the work. Let's jump into the mobile demo and see how this works. Currently, I'm in Fulcrum Mobile on my iOS device, about to launch into the Fulcrum app called Example of Supervisor Review. Please keep in mind that this workflow can be leveraged in any Fulcrum app you're using today or wish to use in the future for a Fulcrum app build. In the bottom right hand corner of the quick access bar is the Record Plus button to fill out a Fulcrum form. As soon as we click on the button, it launches us into the Fulcrum form to complete. At the moment, the status indicates the record is incomplete. Therefore, we must go throughout the form and make sure the work is done accurately. At the bottom of the form, we'll see a yes/no field that asks us if we did the work completely. And to note that when we change the field to yes, it will prevent us from making changes to the form so that the supervisor can review it. Let's go ahead and change this to yes. Immediately, the form's fields are invisible and read-only, preventing the field user from further review. Thus, when they save the record so that the supervisor can see the work that was done in the form, they will only be the ones able to edit and view the work done in the Fulcrum form fields. Returning back to Fulcrum Web, I want to quickly highlight how we set up this data event in Fulcrum's App Design Builder. Here we can click on the data events and see what we're looking at in the variable that stores the emails of those field users to set the conditional logic. These users, when signed into Fulcrum Mobile, will have the conditions set to prevent them from editing the record once they select yes for the field that asks them if they have completed the work to the best of their ability. Anyone with a different email will be able to review and edit the record post-submission. This is great because we can leverage this for additional workflows that maybe extend past just the supervisor and field worker. So throughout this demonstration, we quickly reviewed how Fulcrum can provide additional logic around creating a process of who can do what in the Fulcrum form. I hope you found this demo helpful, and if you are curious to learn more about Fulcrum and want to use a similar workflow, feel free to contact us through our webpage at www.fulcrumapp.com/contact-us. We would be happy to help. Thank you.